Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Nicole and this is The Simplistic Home, and today I'm going to be kicking off a little mini series here on my channel, and it is going to be based on how to decorate with common household decor. So today I'm going to be starting off with jars and canisters. So I'm going to be showing you guys 4 or 5 different ways how I styled in throughout my home, and hopefully this gives you some inspiration if you are stuck on how to use them in your home as well. So let's go ahead and jump into it.
Okay, so styling number 1 are kitchen canisters. So as you can see here, I keep coffee and sugar and coffee filters in there. That is one really nice way to display that if you have a coffee station or you just want to keep them on your counter. I found these at Home Goods. They also have them at TJ Maxx, and all of them were under $5 a piece. So you can't beat that at all. And the second version I'm going to show you actually came from Walmart. These were $6 a piece, and as you can see here, I have brown sugar and flour in them, and they just sit on my kitchen counter. The second way to style is to add some greenery to them. So this can make for a faux plant if you need to have a centerpiece or anything along those lines. Simply just stick some greenery in there. You can buy florals just about anywhere nowadays, and I just think it looks really pretty. So this is one that I have in my living room currently. It's actually an amber glass bottle, but I just stuck some greenery in there and it looks for a really nice arrangement. The third way to style is to keep them in bathrooms on your shelves, or just really anywhere in bathrooms. But I like to put cotton balls in here. I can also keep Q-tips and things along those lines, and no one knows it's in there but me, but it looks really nice sitting on a shelf. So the fourth way to style them is to just simply keep them on a shelf as decor. So you can do that in just about any room in your home. And the fifth and final way to use them is to use them for miscellaneous items. So if you have a station that you get ready at, you can keep your makeup in there. It just looks really nice. It's really aesthetically pleasing. I have jewelry in here, so just some ideas like that.
Alright you guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed these simple decorating tips with the jars and canisters, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down below which style you like the best. And also, as always, if you are new here, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here on my channel. It would mean so much to me. So be on the lookout for a few more videos like this. I have a few other things in mind and I can't wait to share them with you guys. So as always, I like to keep it simple and I just want to share that with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video like I said, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.